Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We have a dependent linear system, 3x plus 2y equals 10, and 6x plus 4y equals question mark. Your job is to pick one value for question mark that makes no solution, and another value that makes infinitely many solutions. Notice the second left-hand side is exactly twice the first. That means the two equations are dependent. They represent either the same line or parallel lines, depending on the right-hand side. The coefficient pair, 6, 4, is just 2 times 3, 2. So consistency will hinge entirely on what we choose on the right. For dependent equations, the right-hand sides must scale the same way. Otherwise, we force a contradiction. Since the first equation equals 10, doubling the entire equation would make the right-hand side double 2. To make the second equation truly the same as the first, just scaled, choose question mark equals 20. Now, the second equation is exactly twice the first, so they describe the same line. Geometrically, both equations sit on the same line, so every point on that line is a solution. Infinitely many solutions. If we keep the left side as double, but choose a right-hand side that's not doubled, the two equations can't both be true. Let's pick a simple value not equal to 20, like 21. If the first equation is true, then doubling it forces 6x plus 4y to equal 20. Our second equation demands 21 instead. Those can't both happen. That mismatch is the contradiction, so there is no solution. In the plane, these are two different parallel lines. Same direction because the left sides are multiples, but shifted because the right sides don't match the same scaling. Parallel lines don't intersect, so there's no solution. The picture makes it immediate. No intersection means no simultaneous solution. The whole problem boils down to matching the same scaling on the right-hand side. When question mark equals 20, the equations are the same line, giving infinitely many solutions. When question mark is not 20, the equations become parallel and inconsistent. No solution. Next up, we'll connect this dependent versus inconsistent idea to how matrices map vectors and how to predict solutions without graphing. Watch the next video to learn more.